Today we're going to discuss how to integrate barcode.net components in C#. Generate a barcode, print the value text under it, save it as both a PNG and a PDF, and then read it right back, all in your console app, all in C#. That's IronBarcode, and we're going to do the whole round trip in this video. So let's check it out. First, quick setup. I already got the IronBarcode package installed from NuGet, and in program.cs, the license key is tucked away in the region. So one tip before we start in a real production app, keep that key in a config file or an environment variable so it's not hard-coded. All right, so let's generate. We call barcode writer.createBarcode, pass it the value that we want to encode, PRD 12345 2024 in this case, and tell it to use code 128 as the encoding. Then we make it look right, we resize it to 400 by 100 pixels, and add barcode value text below barcode so that the human readable value sits right under the bars. That's a small touch here, but it makes a barcode usable on a label. Now we save it twice, save as image, writes it out as a product barcode.png, and save as PDF, writes the same barcode to the product barcode.pdf. One for screens, one for print, no extra work. All right, so here's the part that people forget is just as easy, reading it back. We call barcode reader.read and hand it the path to our image. That scans the file and then returns a barcode results collection with every barcode it finds. We lead through it with a for each, and for each barcode result, we pull two things: the value property, which is the decoded text, and the barcode type property. A quick console.write line prints both of those. All right, so let's go ahead and run it. And there's the console. Detected code 128, followed by the value that we encoded. So IronBarcode read it straight off the image, type, and value, no manual decoding. And the files are there too. The product barcode.png shows our code 128 barcode, clean, sized at 400 by 100 with PRD 12345 2024 printed right underneath. And of course, product barcode.pdf holds the same barcode, ready to print or send, both production ready. And that's it. That's the full loop. Generate style, save to two formats, and then read it back in one short file. From here, IronBarcode also handles QR codes, other symbologies, and reading straight from scans and PDFs. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode yourself, go ahead and sign up for the trial on our site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below. Check it out.